What's up, y'all? This is Monday's Mean Business, and today we're going to talk about how do you pay yourself as a single member LLC. Check it out. What's up, y'all? My name is Saluto Uba, and I am the entrepreneur lawyer as well as the founder of the Uba Law Group. We're a law firm that specializes in business formation and intellectual property to help you protect your assets, save money on taxes, and attract quality clients. Today, I want to talk about a question that I get a lot from different clients and business owners and entrepreneurs that are setting up LLCs, or they're already a single member LLC, which means that they're the only owner in the business. And that question is, how do I pay myself properly? The answer is pretty straightforward, and there's two different scenarios that we want to break down. Both of them are easy enough to understand, but we want to make sure that we give them their own separate attention. The two scenarios are if you're a single member LLC that's an S Corp, or if you're a single member LLC that is not an S Corp. If you're a single member LLC that is not an S Corp, this just means that you set up your business as an LLC, and whatever profit that you make in the business, it's taken as personal income and you're taxed at that at your personal income rate. You have to pay your regular federal taxes, and you have to pay self-employment tax on top of that. Now, self-employment tax is 15.3%. So whatever profit you make in your business, you have to pay your regular taxes, and then you also have to pay that 15.3%. Now, how do you pay yourself if you're just a single member LLC? This is pretty straightforward. The way you pay yourself is known as a distribution or a draw. And so what you'll do is you'll go to your business bank account, which of course you will have set up because you watched my other videos where we talked about that. You'll go to your business bank account and you'll write yourself a check from your business to yourself personally, or you can go online on your business bank account and you can do a transfer from your business bank account to your personal bank account. Or alternatively, you can also go to your bank and you can do a cash withdrawal. I really would prefer the other two because they give you solid methods that you can use to track where the money went. And you always want to make sure that your bookkeeping and your accounts are on point. So you can either write yourself a check, or you can do a transfer from your business account to your personal, or you can take out cash. All three of those methods are legitimate methods for paying yourself. They're called distributions of a member, and those are all ways that you can pay yourself because it's very straightforward if you're just a single member LLC that is not an S Corp. Now, if you are a single member LLC that is taxed as an S Corp, how do you pay yourself? The important thing we want to think through with an S Corp is the big distinction that you're going to have a reasonable salary that you pay yourself when you take that S Corp election. So it's important to understand an S Corp election is a tax election. It's just telling the IRS that you want your business to be taxed as an S Corp. That's the main change. That's the main difference. So when your business is taxed as an S Corp, you put yourself on salary, and a portion of your income you take as a salary, and you pay self-employment taxes only on that salary. And then the rest of your income you can take as a regular distribution, just like with a regular single member LLC. If your business made $100,000, if you were just a single member LLC, you have to pay your taxes on $100,000, plus you have to pay self-employment tax on that $100,000. If you're an S corporation and your business makes $100K, you also have to decide what your salary is going to be. So you could decide that $50,000 is going to be your salary, and then the rest of the $50,000 you'll just take as a distribution. So here's where the S Corp is really beneficial. You only have to pay self-employment tax on that salary, and the rest you don't have to pay self-employment tax on. So that'll save you thousands of dollars, and we work with clients and we work with business owners that are literally saving thousands of dollars. Sometimes folks are saving 5 figures worth of money just by taking that S Corp election. The question is, how do you pay yourself? As an S Corp, you are on salary. So you're going to issue yourself a W-2, and you're going to give yourself a regular paycheck with all the taxes taken out of that, and making sure that your bookkeeping, your accounting is on point. That'll be the big difference. We recommend that you get a CPA or accountant or some sort of online bookkeeping firm to do your payroll, just to make sure everything is taken care of properly and taxes are paid on weekly or monthly basis, and make sure that your quarterly 941s and all that stuff is filled out properly, because these are obligations of your S Corp, and you want to make sure that you take care of all that stuff for the IRS. You don't want to mess around with the IRS. But some business owners will elect to do all of that bookkeeping and payroll stuff themselves. And so if you feel confident in that, you can go ahead and do that. My recommendation is that you get an accountant or some sort of business to take care of that for you. That's the big difference in between paying yourself as an S corporation versus paying yourself as a single member LLC. So you got to make sure that your payroll is taken care of, but the rest of the funds that are not payroll, you can take the same way. You can take as a draw. You can just withdraw that money in the methods that we described previously. Okay, now I know that's a mouthful, but it's important to think through how you're going to operate with paying yourself, because you don't want to screw something up. You don't want to do something improperly, especially if you're an S Corp. So be sure to watch the video again. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. If you need help setting up your business, or if you want help setting up your intellectual property, make sure it's protected properly, please feel free to reach out to us. We handle this stuff all the time for our clients. And if you don't know if you should be taxed as an S Corp, feel free to call us and book a consultation. We do that type of business planning for clients all the time. We'd be happy to help you. So until then, keep on grinding, keep on hustling. I believe you guys. Don't forget, I got the shirt on this time. Mondays mean business. Peace. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, if it's bringing value to you, if it's helping you understand your business even more, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. We drop weekly videos about how to protect your business, how to save money on taxes, how to learn more in unique different aspects that'll give you a strategic advantage as an entrepreneur. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We appreciate it. Peace.